Can someone tell me why I'm playing a girl in a rabbit outfit? Is this cosplay or something? And why am I beating up animals? How the heck am I supposed to dodge this? Cheap this game can be sometimes, it's actually pretty fun. Except for everything that is literally trying to kill you. Aw yeah, got a new power up. Ah shit. Just lost a new power up. I see you. Up on them ceilings. Waiting to come down and crush me. Just waiting on you, bruh. Just waiting on you, bruh. Give it your damn best shot, bruh. Bitch. Okay, this time I can make this one without getting hit once. See? What did I tell you? The scenery for this game is just unbelievably good, and the music is just amazing. It just makes you look and appreciate the graphics more. Hold on, is this Kirby? I didn't know he was in this game. How are you doing, ma'am? Well, have fun with that, sir. My fairy is overpowered as shit. I'm just wiping these guys like no one's business. But she doesn't work against lasers, though.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Wow, so what is this? Game over 97? I'm seriously not joking right now. I've died so many times.